Alright, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing part 1 of a toucan bird drawing with a background. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, I've done several of these before. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And if you have any requests, comments, questions, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. So today I will be drawing the head of the toucan. The beak is so beautiful. It's very colorful. The bird itself is a black bird. But the beak is the colorful one, and it's a very nice looking bird as well. So I will start off with the head and I'll show you how I did the whole head. I'm using color pencils, felt pens and a marker, as you see here, a Sharpie. So let's get started and I'll show you every step of the way. done with the head. So this is the full color drawing of the head, part 1. So I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And don't forget to check out the Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products with this and other drawings of mine on. So I also put some next videos for you to check out next. So don't forget to check those out as well, and don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and you can always request for something for me to draw as well by commenting below. So then I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you next time. Bye.